Yan, good evening. So ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba ang pag-add ng polynomials. So for example, meron tayong given na 3x plus 2 plus 2x minus 3. So, ang first natin gagawin is alamin natin ang like terms. So, pagsasama-samahin natin ang like terms. Alin dito yung like terms? Ito, di ba? So, 3x plus 2x equals, and then, ito na, itong 2 plus minus 3, or 2 plus negative 3. So, 3x plus 2x is, yung i-add natin is itong numerical coefficient. So, yun lang ang i-add natin. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. And then, copy lang natin itong variable or literal coefficient na x. Yan. So, copy lang natin. So, 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. And then, 2 plus negative 3 is equal to 2 positive times negative is negative. So, 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. And then, sulat na natin in one polynomial. So, magiging, sulat natin ito, 5x and then negative 1. So, ito na yung sagot. Ang sagot ay 5x minus 1.